Umuthi atongoria ngwataniro yao kana meyumiririe kuregana na muhuhu ukoretwo gitambio wa ati amwe ao ni makoretwo magibanga guthamira ciama ingi cia kiuteti niguo kumba ngwataniro ya kiuteti mbere ya githurano kinene undu uria maugite ni muhuhu utari na njira. Kiumia kihituku hindi icera riake kaunti-ini ya Kakamega munini wa mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto augire akinyitie kuu thutha wa kuheo rutha na mutongoria wa ANC Musalia Mudavadi uria utianiirie miario ino akiuga ndari hindi akoretwo agitabania miario na Ruto.
Kama mnataka tutembee pamoja, mimi niongee na Musalia Mudavadi omwami kiongozi wa sehemu hii. Sawa sawa? Tumekubaliana? Mumesema niongee na Musalia ama mmesemaje?
No formal invitation has come to me yet. If it comes, we shall deal with it when it reaches us, or at least me. When I meet anybody, I will tell you. I will not make it a secret meeting. It will be obvious. I will meet with whoever I want to meet, and I'll make it public.
Mudavadi urio na kuri uguo wonekire kwaga kumukania wega kana ari na mubango wa gutabania miario na Ruto ni ahinyiriirie ndare na gitumi gia kuhitha micemanio ria arekuruhania nayo ya kiuteti. Indi riria agakinyaniria gutabania miario na mutongoria wothe ni akamenyithia Kenya.
As far as I'm concerned, I am free to meet everybody, and if I meet that person, I will not shy away from telling Kenyans I have met Mr. So-and-so, or Mrs. So-and-so, or Madam So-and-so.
Mwena-ini wake mutongoria wa Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka augite ndari na mubango wa kunyitana na mutongoria wa ODM Raila Odinga akihinyiririo na nderega kwaraniria nake kuma mweri-ini wa 11 riria kinyitie kigomano-ini kia ajumbe ya kiama kia Wiper.
The last time I spoke to Honorable Raila Odinga was last year. In fact, one day before, he attended my party's delegates congress on 25th of November 2021. I've never spoken to him since then. I hope that answers you. How can you flirt with somebody with whom you have no communication?
Atongoria ningi ni mahinyiriirie kioneki kiao gia gukayukia uhotani githurano-ini kinene kia mweri wa 8 iguo mokiriire nyumba cia mohoro ni kiria maugite ikoretwo ikionania mbica cia ati githurano ni gatagati ka atongoria eri tu nacio ingi ni agucungiriria githurano gucokerwo na uguo kumahe mweke mwega wa gwibanga na mwahu uria makona wina mweke mwega kuyukia uhotani.
I want to urge you, the media, not to engage in shaping opinion that the two horse race and Oka is coming in to force a runoff. There is nobody in their right frame of mind that will join a race to precipitate a situation.
You go to an election to seek the people's views and mandate for you to serve them. All right? We do not go to an election because we want to create a runoff.
Girivotera Kameme TV, Jitego Moura, Wagunya.